If you can, please download or print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. First one, Part A. Complete the frequency distribution table below. Part B, draw cumulative frequency, histogram, and Ogive. Find the lower quartile, median, and upper quartile. To find the cumulative frequency column. So remember, cumulative frequency is just accumulate of frequency. So we start 3 here. That is a frequency. So we just write this number down. Always start with that number. And then to find the next one, so we go 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So we just write down 5. To find the next cumulative frequency, we use 5 plus 1, which is 6. And 6 plus 1 is 7. We just write this 7 down. And to find next one, same process. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Now please take note on this. So if you add these frequency together, you should get 15. We're done with Part A. Now to do Part B. So to draw cumulative frequency histogram, the smallest score is 10 and the largest score is 16. So I just write down the score first, so I know where to draw the line. Let's start from here. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I just draw a line first. Now with the cumulative frequency, the largest value is 15 and the smallest value is 3, so we can go up by 1. So let's say this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. So don't forget to label. So score, which is X, and then this is cumulative frequency. I can write CF, or I can just write here cumulative frequency. So now the value for score of 10 is 3. So I just draw up to 3. So I start from here, of course. And the next one is 5. So I draw all the way to 5. And next one is 6. For 13, the cumulative frequency is 7. And next one is 11. And for 15 is 12. And last one, which is 16, is 15. There you go. This is cumulative frequency histogram. Now to draw Ogive, so what we need to do is we need to connect these points together. Okay, so always remember that. So we connect to here. So this is Ogive if you connect them together like that. So let's do it. So the blue line is an ogive. So we're done with part B. Now we can use the ogive to find out the lower quartile. So to work out a quarter of 15, so you just go 15 divided by 4, so which is 3.75. So we just go 3.75. So roughly this is 3 here and 3.5, halfway 75, we add a little bit more. So which is this. And then you can just go down. So that is 11. Lower quartile can written as Q1. So Q1 is equal to 11. And to find the median, so 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. So we just go all the way to 7.5. This is 7 here. Now please take note. Now if it fell on this line here, you go straight. So it actually hit between, exactly between 13 and 4. The median will be 13.5. Okay. So, but not in this case. I'll just give you one example. But in this case is 7.5. So we go all the way to 7.5. So it's just roughly here. And we just go all the way, hit the blue line. So that is ogive. So just go down. So within the 14. So the answer is 14. So Q2 is equal to 14. And for upper quartile, that is 75% of the score. So we can just go 0.75 times 15 or 3/4 times 15 if you like. So 11.25. So we just go all the way to 11 first and we just add a quarter of it. Just a bit up, roughly. And we just draw the line and then we hit the ogive. So now you just note that it is on the 15. So therefore, upper quartile, which is Q3, is equal to 15. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So to work out the cumulative frequency column, so first we start from this number here, which is 2. And then we go 2 plus 3, which is 5. And to work out the next one, we use 5 plus 1, which is 6. And then 6, we add 2, and that is 8. Then we go 8 plus 3, which is 11. And then 11 plus 2, which is 13. And 13 plus 3, which is 16. So please remember, if you add these columns together, the total number of frequency should give you 16 as well. That's what that meant. To draw cumulative frequency histogram, so we write the score first. The score is 1 is the smallest and then largest is 7. So we go all the ways 1 to 7. So I can start from here first. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for the cumulative frequency, the maximum score is 16. So I can go up by 1. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 8, 10. This is 12. This is 14. And this is 16. So now I just draw the axis. And please do not forget to label those axes as well. So score, and this is X, and then this is cumulative frequency. Now for the cumulative frequency for 1, which is 2, so I just draw all the way to 2. Now I can draw this way and it's faster, okay? So I just draw the vertical lines first, so a bit faster. So the next one is 5, So go all the way to 5. And next one is 6. So go all the way to 6. And then 8 for the next one. Followed by 11. 13. And the last one is 16. So now I just connect these lines together, okay? This is cumulative frequency histogram. Now to do Ogive, remember we just connect these points, okay? So please take note on this. So always to the corner. There you go. This is Ogive. Now we can use Ogive to work out the lower quartile of the score. We know that the total number frequency is 16. So we find a quarter of 16. So a quarter, so which is 16 divided by 4 is 4. So we go all the way up to 4 and just go across and you hit the line here, which is you hit the Ogive. So go down. So that is on the 2. So lower quartile can be written as Q1, so which is 2. Now, to find out the median, remember the total number of frequency is 16. So if you add this up 16, of course. So half of 16 is 8. So you go all the way to 8 and you hit this line here. That is right in between 4 and 5. So the answer is 4.5 because you add 4 plus 5 is 9 and your half of 9 is 4.5 if you like. So Q2 is equal to 4.5. Now to find upper quartile, which is Q3, Q3 is 75% of the total frequency. So to find out Q3, all we need to do is we know that Q3 is 75% of 16. So 3/4 of 16 if you like. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. You times 3 is 12. Otherwise, you just go 0.75 because 75%, okay, of 16. So which is 12. So you go all the way to 12 and just go across with ruler if you like. So then you just go down. So this is right on the 6. So the upper quartile is 6. Thank you so much for watching.